Pinagsusumite na ng Department of Labor and Employment ng memorandum ang panig ng Ateneo de Manila University at ni-resign Blue Eagles men's basketball team head coach Thomas Anthony Tab Baldwin. Sa ginanap na clarificatory hearing kahapon, inusisa ng DOLE ang naging kasunduan sa pagitan ng Ateneo at ni Baldwin. Naungkat din sa pagdinig ang sponsorship ng group of companies na pagmamayari ng negosyante na si Manny Pangilinan.
So, what is now the role of the MVP group of companies, if you're aware of that?
Your Honor, the MVP Group is one of the sponsors of the Ateneo men's basketball team.
And sponsorship would mean providing uniforms, providing practice venues, providing
Mainly source of funds, Your Honor.
source of
Funding, Your Honor.
Tinanong din ni Labor Secretary Francis Tolentino si Attorney Crisia Santos, ang legal counsel na ipinadala ng universidad kung saan nagagamit ang naturang sponsorship kay Baldwin.
and funding can be equated with compensation, honorarium, allowances, even in a consultancy agreement. Is that correct?
Possibly, Your Honor.
Possibly.
Yes.
So hindi nyo alam kung magkano ang tinatanggap ni Coach Baldwin.
No, Your Honor, the consideration is redacted.
Bukod dito, kinukwestiyon din ng DOLE ang mga panuntunan na ipinataw ng Ateneo kay Tab Baldwin. Gaya na lamang ng bawal itong mag-endorso sa pamamagitan ng picture at pangalan at hindi rin pwedeng lumabas sa telebisyon at maging sa social media.
So, is our impression correct that this series of do's and don'ts, which seems to be occupy almost a page of the contract, would reflect substantial control over the performance of the functions of Coach Baldwin?
Your Honor, while there may be do's and don'ts listed in the contract, these do's and don'ts do not control the manner by which Coach Tab will execute these duties. So actually, if you read it, it is very general: to attend games, to head the team, to conduct basketball clinics, and etc. But these duties and obligations do not prohibit Coach Tab or do not control the means by which Coach Tab will execute these duties and obligations.
Dagdag pa ng kalihim na bago matapos ang buwan ng Hulyo ay makapaglabas na sila ng resulta ng kanilang ginagawang investigasyon ukol sa legalidad ng pagtatrabaho ni Baldwin sa Pilipinas. Benedict Samson, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.